Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Andrea
And Carrie, February is Heart Month, so add nutrition to your Valentine's Day treats with berries.
Think beyond chocolate-covered strawberries with these unique ideas.
Yogurt parfaits with fresh raspberries and dark chocolate. Place yogurt and cinnamon in a bowl and stir together. Spoon half yogurt mixture into 2 parfait glasses. Top with toasted walnuts and dark chocolate. Mash raspberries and spoon into parfait glasses. Top with remaining yogurt mixture, walnuts, dark chocolate, and whole raspberries. Share and enjoy.
No bake strawberry cheesecake bites. Cut tops off each strawberry and core out center. In a medium bowl, add cream cheese, yogurt, sugar, vanilla, and salt. Beat together until creamy. Fill strawberries with cream cheese mixture, then drizzle with melted chocolate. Refrigerate to set. Transfer to a serving platter, sprinkle with graham cracker crumbs, and serve.
For these recipes and more,
Visit BigY.com.